Yes guys, I'm in my car and I'm headed to VLCC for an afternoon of pampering, something which was really badly needed. Just thought I would vlog about it and tell you guys. So yeah, just keep watching. Okay guys, look who I found here.
You guys will not believe it. It was such a surprise. I had no idea I would be bumping into.
No, I had a feeling.
This one here.
I had a feeling, but I just didn't get a chance to actually message her. And all those of you have been asking me to make a video with her. Yes, I
Oh yeah.
So you can
Short
abuse me.
intro.
So you can abuse me now.
Yeah.
Or probably not.
And
because now she's heard my videos.
like all
I
white.
love the setup.
I love
the setup.
everything white, and they have
love the
orchids
flowers.
here, so it's like so pretty. It's cold, has AC.
Ranju,
and-
I'm already falling
Oh, very
asleep
nice.
over here. It's so cozy and it's so comfortable. Definitely coming back in here, right? Okay, and this is. Let's keep walking. Bloggers doing their job, taking pictures, posing for pictures. Others laughing because they don't have any more to shoot.
Yeah, nothing more to shoot.
And then some others just focusing on the food because the food looks so yum.
Style. Say Prachi, say hi.
Hi, I'm blogging and eating, mostly eating because blogging will go on and on forever.
Okay, guys, everybody.
Okay, I'm trying to take a really fancy shot over here, but I think that picture over there, it's ruining what I'm trying to capture. But I hope you guys can see. Yes, the nose, exactly. But I hope you guys can see how beautiful this is.
Eat all fat.
So we'll join the gym. slimming thing.
We are here for the slimming thing. I really wish I get a slimming session. Complimentary slimming session.
VLCC style stay.
We are technically here for a blogger's thing, right?
One sec.
So.
Cleansing, toning, exfoliating twice a week, moisturizing and protection. This regime is to be followed in the morning and in the evening. Right? We have come a long way. We now have our presence over 11 countries across the globe.
The sunblock effect wavers off after 4 hours.
Yes.
So we need to use a sunblock after every 4 to 5 hours if we are looking. 8 hours of this light is equivalent to 1 hour of sunlight.
Really?
So these are the small.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wow.
And remember, sunblock will just give you some protection. It will not give you a complete protection. So I would generally suggest, if you are so conscious about it, use a sunblock, use an umbrella, cover your skin with a scarf or something if you want like at least 70 to 80% protection. Become hypersensitive. So aloe vera and probably a good moisturizer, that is it till your skin heals. And then probably then after suntan is something very common. Suntan can go through your anti-tan treatments. You can go in for peel treatments where we are actually exfoliating one layer of your skin.
Right.
So the Q&A session is over, and honestly, I have learned so much today. I don't think I've learned so much in I think last 2 or 3 years combined. The most important things that she told us today, number one, I think anti-aging treatment needs to start when you're just 25 years old. Second most important thing that I feel she said, or probably the most important thing she said, was listen to your body. See how your body is reacting to certain things. It could be any brand, it could be any lifestyle change, anything. And instead of just running after a brand, running after a product, go after things that really suit you. That's all. Number 3 thing, this is about VLCC. So I knew about this a little bit, but I didn't know there was such a wide variety over here. VLCC is not just about slimming services. They are basically a wellness center. So there is anti-aging treatment. There is also a DNA thing, where they actually study your DNA profile to design what treatment will work for you. I thought that was so cool. Plus they have something called a vampire facelift, which is actually very good. It sounds scary, but it's really good because she told us, and I was thoroughly convinced. And then there's makeup, bridal makeup, nail art and things like that. So yeah, that's just something about VLCC which I wanted to share with you all, because I know most people think it's a slimming thing, but they also have a lot of other stuff, including beauty products, of course. So yep, just keep watching. We are almost done with the event here, but there's just a little bit more left, so yeah, keep watching. So I got this really cute VLCC hamper with a ton of things in here. I'll just post on Snapchat what exactly I have in here. And what I love about them is that they have actually given it to me with my name written on the envelope, It's such a nice gesture that they've actually taken care. Actually, let me show you what's in there. I'm just realizing that, Snapchat may not be available to you. Okay, so there's something called Shape Up Skin Enhance Gel. Okay, by the way, while you're watching this, just let me know if you would want me to make a review video with any of these products. This is Slimmer's Herbal Infusion with green tea. Oh, that's a green tea, slimming green tea. I'm sure Gaurav would love this. He loves green tea, by the way. And that's a diamond facial kit. Oh my god, I've actually been thinking of trying this one out, the VLCC diamond facial kit. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that they gave me in this little bag. And with that, guys, I'm gonna end this video. It was such a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video too. I don't know how this video will turn out. I'm sure it'll be very, very random, because I was just taking little snippets of little videos. Sorry, the security guard here has a little courier for me. I'm almost at my home. Bhaiya, ye khol nahi raha window. Acha, 1 second. Aap aise de do. Okay, so yeah, things like these will make this video extremely random, because I was recording the video and a lot of things were going on, and I just didn't want to miss anything. So yeah, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, comment, and follow me on my social media like I always say. And I ended my building, so I'm gonna end this video, go upstairs and see what my little puppy is up to. I played a lot with her in the morning. I'm really missing her so much. It's so amazing. I can't believe I'm so close to her already, I actually literally miss her when I leave home, even if it's just for a few hours. So yeah, bye-bye.